In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Western Union to GCash. First of all, you need to log into your Western Union app account. Then you need to click the menu in the top right corner and go to send money. Right here, you need to select the receiver country. In this case, you need to select Philippines. And then you need to enter the amount of money you want to send. For example, 100 USD. And here will be several options. In this case, we want to choose GCash. So let's click GCash. Then you need to select GCash from this list. You can send up to $5,000. So let's choose GCash. Now you need to select the payment option. You can use your credit card, your debit card, or bank account, or also you can use Google Pay. So in this case, I will choose debit card, then click continue. Now you need to enter the receiver's information, first name and the last name, receiver's wallet information. So you need to enter the wallet mobile phone number. And also you need to choose the purpose of the transfer, guys. After that, you need to scroll all the way down and click add and finalize the transaction. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.